Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using the Sunshine and Rainbows bundle, and we're going to be making this card. So let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our Big Shot, and I have the Rainbow Builder framelits, and I've already put them down. I have Real Red, Pumpkin Pie, Old Olive, Pool Party, Daffodil Delight, and Wisteria Wonder. Just going to run these through. All right, and then I have a piece of Whisper White and a piece of vellum, and this measures 2 by 5.5, and this is 3 by 5.5. So I'm going to get these bigger clouds here for the vellum, and then these smaller ones here. Just run that through. And then I have another piece of the Whisper White that's 2 by 5.25. And I'm going to use the bigger clouds. I like those clouds a little bit better. All right, and get this out of the way. Now I have a piece of Soft Sky, and we are just going to start building this rainbow here. I'm going to bring in my silicone craft sheet. And I have some Tombow. I'm just going to see if I can get it started. And I want it right up at the top. So just like that. Next, I'm going to take my pumpkin pie. And you can use any of the variations of colors that you'd like. I'm making this card for my little Zeta. She's been having a little tough time at school, so just want to send her a little card of happiness. And we also have star testing this week, so I like to send her little lunchbox notes and stuff, wishing her luck, and telling her to remember to think about all the questions. And she's a really good test taker, though. We don't ever really have any problem. And you can use a fine tip glue pen, but I think this was pretty good. All right, I love that. Okay. So I'm just going to flip this over and come in with my snail. And I have a piece of Whisper White thick, and that measures 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So it's just going to make a nice little border there. So let's see how we're going to piece this together. All right, so I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. These little clouds here. And I'm just going to pop them up on the bottom. And then I'm going to do the opposite with the vellum. So I'm going to get these little clouds that we cut. And I'm just going to put a nice little border on the bottom. And then I'm going to line this up. See where you can be able to see that. So you can line it up in one corner and then bring it down. And I'm going to come in with my Pacific Point, and I have this sentiment on there that says, wishing you a sunny day from Sunshine and Rainbows. And I have that mounted on block A. And I'm just going to put it right down here in the corner, just like that. So now I'm going to pop this up as well, kind of give it a 3D effect. And I think I'm going to show a little bit right there. All right, so there you have it, a little sunshine and rainbow card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, and I think that you do, please click on my online store.